28 amazing design ideas for kitchen backsplashes. When you're talking kitchen backsplash ideas, it doesn't get much easier than this. You can introduce a nice crisp, clean, and traditional style to your kitchen for bargain prices with this great design. Now, this is one kitchen backsplash idea that goes way beyond the basic concept of splash. We have seen some downright startling kitchen backsplash designs in this overview, but here's something that is sure to help you relax. Sandy ridge, what could be more common? This is a gray mosaic tile from Mosaic. Although it looks like natural stone, it is a through-body, not glazed porcelain tile. Unlike stone, which requires sealing and may get stained when used as a backsplash material, porcelain is ideal for backsplashes. This warm, friendly tile backsplash adds conviviality to any kitchen. A glazed porcelain stoneware, the Saguaro 6 by 6 inch tiles shown here are set at a diagonal, interspersed with Ocotillo decorative tiles. You see this all over. It's popular. It's worldwide. Stone or glass? Why should you have to make a decision, when you can have both? From Mosaic, this kitchen tile backsplash looks like wood, but it's a solid body porcelain called oak, from the Rifle CD Legno series of tiles with a wood grain appearance. In addition to oak, you will also find ash, cherry, ebony, and walnut. This is an example of wall as backsplash. The entire kitchen wall is laid with Florum USA's Moonstone, part of its gems collection, above the counters and even behind the stove. Want to shake up ordinary backsplash installations? Instead of mounting the tiles horizontally, flip them 90 degrees for vertical installation. Few installations are as striking as this look. These come from Florum USA's Iced Rocks Hampton Dunes Blend series. Why should your backsplash be a mousy shrinking violet? How about a bold chrysanthemum instead? Almost all tile installations use a repeated pattern, but for a truly gorgeous look, you might consider a continuous tile mosaic. In the true sense of mosaic, individual sheets of tile join in a prescribed order to form an overall large picture. You're looking at tiles that are individually 1 inch high and 2 inches wide, giving your kitchen backsplash more visual length. They are also something of a conversation piece since subway tile layouts typically use much larger tiles. Supplementing the clean 60s era yet modern flair in this kitchen are two interlocking tiles from Ann Sachs. Both are from the Gotham series, and they give the kitchen a distinctly googie feeling. These large subway tiles are arranged in a straight lay pattern rather than the standard staggered running bond pattern usually used for subway tiles. One of the more unusual materials for backsplashes, recycled cork, comes to the kitchen in the form of 12 by 12 inch sheets of individual 1 inch diameter penny rounds, each about the size of a sliced off wine cork. Check out SJM's lush, rich lime green color for these glossy tiles. Each piece is 1 by 3 inch, and each sheet is 1 square foot. Considering the high style look, this small shop tile is relatively affordable. This very unusual effect uses small 1.5 by 0.75 inch mosaic tiles from a small upstate New York tile maker, with tiles mounted vertically and laid out in the shape of a sound wave. The blazing orange glass mosaic tile backsplash in this kitchen has one small, but significant, tweak: it's repeated as a band on the kitchen island. It's a brilliant touch, visually tying the backsplash together with the island. And it provides a fun, lively touch to an otherwise serious shaker cabinet island. This tile is orange 1 by 6 inch glass from Susan Jablin. Backsplash tiles are very often done with a high-gloss ceramic or porcelain tile, but there is another direction you can go, the look of rustic, tumbled stone, lively visual chaos that keeps things interesting. This look might be too busy for some, but the continuation of natural stone from the granite countertop into the slate backsplash makes a strong statement. The product here is 2x2 inch butterscotch tumbled mosaic slate from Bedrosians. In this example, a contrasting backsplash behind the stove range is made from a tumbled copper mosaic from Bedrosian 1. These areas are often markedly different because they perform different functions, catching ultra-messy splashes bacon, gravy, spaghetti sauce, etc., and hence a different backsplash treatment is often appropriate. Here's a bold idea: install 6-inch tiles in multiple colors. This homeowner has a contemporary IKEA kitchen cabinet design, so she chose to install purple and pink tiles in vertical columns. This 4x4 inch real stone tile comes from Tile, and it's called copper tumbled slate. The tumbled part means that the edges and corners are rounded off. The surface of this tile has a rough, pitted appearance, very attractive for some kitchen styles. Even easier than the tile installations already described is this, a metal kitchen backsplash. Normally, stainless steel is not something a DIYer wants to handle, it's hard to cut, hard to fabricate. This bold design is from American Olean. The main feature of this backsplash is a pair of coordinated Harlequin, diamond-shaped tiles, called Mink and Smoky Sky. Each tile is 6x3 inches, installed vertically. The bottom border is Sylvan Accent Strip Rattan, 4x8 inches. From a distance, this kitchen backsplash looks like the regular ceramic tile of 3 different colors. But on closer examination, you can see that we're dealing with a glass tile backsplash made of 4¼ inch tile. The advantage? Glass tile catches the light like no other type, practically glowing under indirect lighting. This backsplash consists of 4-inch stone tiles in 2 rows along the bottom, with glass mosaic sheets filling in the field behind the range hood. The glass surface is American Olean Legacy Glass Green Blend 1x1 inch. One advantage of glass tiles is the ease with which grease and spaghetti sauce splatter can be cleaned away. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.